To create a database, also known as a project, start by opening Print and Scan. Go to Projects menu. Here you will see two options as shown: Create New Project and Open Project. The Open Project option allows users to generate previously created projects that are stored on the system, and the other option allows users to create a new project, which is what we will be doing in this video. This screen is used to identify the project. The project name, title and description can be whatever is appropriate, and once you have inputted the correct information, select Click Next to continue. Here you will see a screen that gives the user the option to select which type of project they will be creating, be it a survey, an exam or an OSCE. For the purpose of this video, we will be showing you how to create an examination project. There are a number of options here for some common exam style databases, ranging from 40 to 100 questions. But usually, if you are creating your own form, it is easiest to go with Exam Custom, allowing you to attach a form that you have created yourself to the project. Click Next to continue, and you will then be able to add the form or forms that you will be using for the project. When you have selected the correct forms, press Finish. You will then be directed back to the main menu where you can select Open Project as shown. Here you will see a drop-down of all projects created, and if you double-click on Date Created as shown, it will order the projects into the most recent. Select the project you have just created and Open at the bottom of the screen. Then select Project Details, where you will see all of the information for the project that is stored as shown. Go to View Records. This is where the candidate or student's information is stored, and here you can edit information as required. By selecting New as shown, users can input a reference number, name and surname for a student that they wish to add manually to the database. To delete a record, simply tick the box to the left of the record as shown and select the delete icon at the top of the screen. You can import records from an Excel spreadsheet as shown, but please note that users must ensure that the first three columns are ordered reference, forename and surname. You can then open this file and the records will appear on the database. Select the columns and heading names on Import button, and the first row of spreadsheet contains column headings buttons as the top of the screen, so as to ensure that the headings and columns created in the spreadsheet are inputted into the system. If these are not selected, the system will only input the first 3 columns. Once you are happy with this information, select OK and exit the View Records page. Go to Marking Scheme and select Add Scheme. Here you will need to input the relevant information for this project, selecting the exam venue or department, the subject code, i.e. English, and the test code, which could be the date of the exam. This is so that the project can be defined from other exams within databases. You must then select the number of questions for the exam. You can then close this and return to the Project Details menu as shown. If you go to Project Settings and then Master Answers, the user can add the master answer sheet to the database using a password created previously by the user. The user must then select the exam centre or department, the module code and the exam or test code previously created into the relevant fields. Then the user must select Show Master Answer Sheet, where they will be directed to an exam paper crib sheet. This is the sheet that will be used to input master answers. Please note this can be done either manually or on a paper form and scanned through electronically. The options on the right hand side of the screen allow users to edit the information to ensure that it is correct, deleting a sheet, restoring a sheet that has been deleted, backing up a sheet or undoing changes made. When you are happy with the information, select Save Sheet. As you can now see, all of the information is saved on the database for the master answers.